Alright, new lobby, here we go. Shut up, CC Cleaner, I don't need you right now. This is what I like to see. We got easy difficulty, they're playing Buried Oasis. There's only 5 people in it. There's only 5. This is a W. There are people like Jack Paul's 123 and Malcolm. You know what they do? You know what they do? Boy, let me tell you a story then, bub. They have the absolute brain power to just do this. They make my life as miserable as possible by using all their gems just so they can do one whole thing. Why one whole thing? Because they always like to make my life as miserable as possible! Why do I sound like Toad in there? Seriously. Okay, this is okay. This is fine. 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 I know what to do. I know what to do. It's not... I know it's foggy. Yes. I know it's foggy. I just gotta go this way. This way, this way, this way, this way. Wait, how? How? How are you... Okay. The one time I'm actually doing this right. Dude! Go back up! I just took care of it, dude. Go up. Go up. Go up, not down. I took care of it. Just go do it. Go do it. Go do it. Go do it. Don't put me in it. Don't put me in this. Don't put me in this predicament, man. Don't. Wait, is this even a way through? Okay, I'm just gonna go into the water. Yeah, of course. Bud. Why do I always have to be the second one who has to carry the team? I might be the one who goes dead. Oh, never mind. I actually placed second. That's not bad. Hovering Enclaves. I'm putting Infiltration in. Oh, it looks like we are playing it again. Alright, fine. Fine. At least it's not that annoying game. Fire Tower, Lava Tower, whatever it's called. Lava Tower, I absolutely hate. I hate Lava Tower so much. It's bad on so many levels. It's bad on so many levels. It's just bad on so many gosh dang levels. Not saying much because it's a level, duh. But if you have the absolute skill issue, you have a skill issue if you're choosing to make other people suffer because you always fail. You must have absolutely no friends if that's what you have, if that's what's making you do this. If that's your excuse, you might as well just walk out the door because people like you are not invited into my Frankfurter party, aka the Shea party of games. You, my friend, are gonna suffer what you did to me. So I'm gonna watch you all, I'm gonna watch these guys do it right. And then I won't have anything to complain about because they're actually good players. They actually played fair. There are other people in the community of Flood Escape 2 who are absolutely not that. This is actually kind of a crazy level. I mean, crazy. I'm actually not sinking this time. Surprisingly, I'm not sinking yet. I haven't sunk just yet. Surprisingly, I actually haven't sunk yet, just all things considered. But it's only getting better because of the amount of times I have had to swing. I have to swing up to do this. Wait, how? Oh, there's the button. I just gotta go into the bridge. Sphinx! What are you doing, man? Sphinx! Stop! There are people like me who just want to go with the flow, and you're just choosing not to do that. Just watch. You're gonna piss off somebody who's under the age of 12. And they have to play it, and they play this dang game every single day of their lives. And then we got people like you. With your luck, you're more likely one of those people that has a skill issue and wants to take out all your frustration and anger on everyone else. Is that what that is? Is that what that's all about? Honestly. See? We're in insane difficulty now. Congratulations, you bastard. Sinking ship. Yeah, guarantee that I'm gonna lose. I'm definitely gonna die on this one. I'm definitely gonna die on this one. Mirrored? Mirrored? Oh, no, 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 no. You gotta be kidding me, man. You gotta be kidding me. Even in sinking ship, you choose this. You choose this, of all things. How are you bad at jumping? You just go this way. It's not that bad, dude. You go this way. Never mind. He chose the other way. He chose the other way. I can't even go the speed I want to go. Speed boosting was a thing that I actually enjoyed. I enjoyed the speed boosting, and then this happens. This happens every time. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Abandoned ship. I'm just gonna die. There I go. See? See? I dead. Oh, okay, never mind. It's on hard mode. That's okay. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. But can we please play? Okay, Poisonous River. If I can survive this time, then that's a W right there. There's one map that I actually don't want to play ever again because people kept choking it on us. There's one map that actually was just a choke job when it came out. It was a choke job when it came out, and it was a choke job after all that. It was a choke job after all that. Wait. Oh, there's the plank. There's the plank. There's the plank. It was a choke job when it came out, and it's a choke job now. And I bet it's been removed. I would love to believe it was removed because it's useless. The map is terrible on its own. See? It's like this. It has the... Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and... This is the worst! This is the worst round ever! F!
Hello, class. I have come to the conclusion that you all failed! You got an F!
That was my impression of Mr. Crocker from Fairly Odd Parents, if you don't know what that is. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Aww, where's the... Okay, Sunken Citadel I can take. Sunken Citadel's okay. I actually got to the treasure booty before. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You just gotta pay as much attention as possible to the jellyfish and make sure you know where you're going. This one's fine. This one's fine. This one's fine. This is fine. This is perfectly A-okay. You know, I'm just gonna stay here so I can watch the crate coming up here. Watch this. It's gonna pop up right here. Now I can just do this and get out of here. Wait. Bruh, you've got to be joking. Oh, never mind. It's right there. Never mind, it's right there. 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 Oh, so it's like that. Okay, you know what? Screw this. I know I played Sunken Citadel just fine, but I need to get my head in the game here. I need to get my head in the game here. I can't just keep sitting here and losing every time. There's only 3 people in the game now. Remarkably enough, there's only 3 people, and I'm the only one who's dead. Actually, no, never mind. There's 2 people dead now. Just 2 people dead now. Need to make sure the moon's on the right color. There we go. Oh, wait. Am I the... Okay, never mind. There's only 2. I'll play I'll play Crystal Caverns just as long as the other guy can actually contribute. It's just me and Mari now, which is not good. It's not good for us. Alright, you know what? Let's do this. I'll do this side. I'll do this. Just to make you feel better. I'm right here. Oh, you still got one more button to push. Okay. The water's not gonna sink. You just gotta do that. Okay, I got button 3. Okay, swim. Do not focus. Focus on the buttons. Focus on the buttons. Focus on the buttons. And I'm already getting intervened by a frickin' whatever that's called, icicle. It's just hanging above my head. We might die here. This is not good. This is one of those. This is a bad case of I might die here. I might die here. It's not looking good. This isn't looking good. Okay, never mind. Alright, we have 2 left. This one I can push by myself, thanks. Because you rely on me to push so many buttons. Okay, we're definitely gonna get out of here. We're getting out of here, no problem. Alright, we did it, we did it. Despite all the odds, we actually did it. Okay, this is by habit. This is by a habit. It's 3.97. Toxic Woods. Okay, I think I know what to do here. Though I would have liked it if it wasn't mirrored. I would have liked it if it wasn't mirrored again. How do I get up? Okay, she's got it, she's got it, she's got it. I'm gonna go here. I'm sticking around for this. You can thank me later, because I did that for you. Wait. You're cooking over here. You are cooking something. She's cooking something up. There's no doubt about it. There's no cooking up. There's no doubt about it. She's cooking something here. Let's just follow her. We'll get around this easily. If we do that. Okay, look at that. Look, watch this. She's got it. She's got it in the bag. Watch. Just watch this. I'm about to just hang glide myself over. See? Look at that. 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 This is not bad. All we gotta do now is jump. Jump through everything. And, of course, she's got to do the ziplining thing, and I get to sit back. I can sit back and just watch her do it. Alright, this one is mine. This is mine. Mine for the taking. Probably because the wood came right off when it did that. Okay, we're there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Okay. That was actually not bad. Okay, now we're actually insane. GG. This one's definitely a loss. This is a loss right here. It's a magmatic mines. This is on your own, bud. I'm sorry to say this, but this is on you're on your own here. You're on your own here. You're on your own here. This is not good. Wait, actually no, I'm on my own now. Look at how high up I am. I might be out on my own. Look at this. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. That's okay. That's alright. That's alright. That's alright. We weren't gonna win it anyway. I wanna play that, if I had 10 coins, I could probably do that, but... Okay, breathe in. You're at least getting somewhere. Bacon just joined in. Oh, wait, no. Mari's gone. No! No, Mari, no! My only teammate. Did she rage quit? I don't know, but... I don't know. I don't know about this. How do I get back down? Okay. The fact that it's all fog is just pissing me off. Sometimes I kind of wish I stayed at the bottom so I can actually not do this. Bro's lagging so much. Bro's lagging pretty bad. Okay. Where's the button at, man? Where is it? Okay, I gotta climb back up and get on the bridge. How am I the only one left? You've got to be kidding me. How do these guys already manage to fail? They managed to fail. You failed me. Because you chose to die. Okay. Just watch. We're gonna fall right off a tower again. Let's just wait, just wait, just wait, just wait. We're gonna fail it again. It won't be my fault when I die. It won't be. Just as long as we don't have any distractions this time. Alright. Please don't make me fail. I don't want to fail. I refuse to fail. I refuse to accept fate. I refuse to accept fate the way it is. I refuse to accept fate the way it is. Bub, how? You gotta be kidding me. They made it up there. Okay, you know what? I wasn't gonna... Okay, I was going the wrong direction again. They put us on easy mode. Poisonous Valley? Fine. This one's easy, so I'm not gonna fret too much. Okay. I jinxed it. We're down to we're at 5 now. That's not good. Okay, this isn't looking good. This is not looking good. This is not looking really good. Wait, how did we barely make it through? Okay. Did you just jump in the... Did you just jump? Bro just jumped into the poison ivy. You're lucky you're not dead yet. Of course, we got some slacker activity here. Just watch, all the planks are gonna fall right off and you're on your own, bub. This guy's a slacker because he's all the way at the end. This guy's a literal slacker. This guy's nothing but a slacker right here. His main objective is to just get out of here. That's his main objective. Look at this guy. He's a slender, and he's also one that just... Okay, let's play some Castle Tides. My opinion matters more, so they're probably gonna accept it. Yeah, they're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. There's only 3 votes. Watch. Slacker number 3. Oh boy, look at that. We got slackers. I love slackers. No, they make me mad. They make me so freaking mad. Way to make us sink, you bum. Way to make us sink, you bum. Way to make us sink, you bum. Can I just get through the hole? Dude, we can't have you die just yet. There's not very many of us. Of course, 3 of us are the ones that make it out of here. These people are bums, nothing but bums. Dude, go somewhere else. You have no better way than just do that. Do you? I'm gonna watch you fall, just like you did to me all these times. Judging. How do I get across? There we go. See? Look at these bums. They're gonna make me do it. They're gonna make me do it because they're nothing but lazy. They're bums and nothing but bums. I'm not doing anything because this should be a drill. This is the drill that I follow. I passed infiltration with no problem. I guess we're kind of evenly divided here. We're evenly divided. Who's gonna get what? Fall equinox. I guess fall equinox is okay. Bruh, what are you doing? Are you that lazy? Are you lazy? Bruh, you gotta follow the rules. What kind of world do you think you're living in, bud? Well, I don't know what to tell you. I'm just gonna watch you fail, like you did to me all these times. I'm gonna watch you fail. Because you want me to do all the dirty work. Is that what you want? Just wait. I'm not gonna watch. You're gonna be the ones failing next. Which way was I supposed to go? This way? Ah. Right. Alright. Let me get across this real quick. It's not the same feeling when there's like only 3 people. Well, I made it 3rd, but that's okay. And we're playing on a hard mode, 3.2. Oh wait, it's a tie. Strawberry Springs is winning. Let's go. We can actually play the new map. We're playing the new map. Let's go. Let's go. We're playing the new map. But as long as we don't have any slackers in the team. Just as long as we don't have slackers here. We are actually going to win. We might win. We might win. Just stay behind the other team members, and you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Okay. Focus, man. Focus. No! No. Is that supposed to be a ladder? You gotta be... Oh man, are you serious? I wanted to play the new map so bad. I wanted to play the map so bad. At least nobody boosted this time. Nobody boosted. Of course, I have to disconnect from Bluetooth because my stupid headphones are still plugged in. And if you're talking about which pair of headphones, I'm talking about these. No, not these. My open rock headphones I wear. Of course, it's mirrored. What else is new? Wait, I actually played it when it was mirrored, so this is easy. It's really not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Okay, never mind. I changed my mind. I changed it. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. I just want to get across this. Got too distracted. I do not want to see any intensity changes throughout the rest of this. I want to go back to the Strawberry Springs one again. Oh, we're back to normal. Okay, okay. Sky Sanctuary it is. Deal. Deal. Waiting for one player, of course, because they have shitty internet. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna cross this bridge. Bridge. Oh, this way. Shit. No. Oh, you know, screw it. Just watch the bridge fall. This might be a fail. Okay, next spot, the finish line. Next gen, the finish line. Next stop, the finish line. Second place, I'll take it. Just so I can watch myself fail again. I do need to win Fallen, but this is hard. Somehow I think they turned an old game, made a new version of it that's even worse, and yet I still can't beat the other one. Even though it feels like you're actually just floating on platforms all the time. Okay, I think they already flopped. Stay attentive. Stay attentive, members. Do not fall. Okay, I fell. But it's because I jumped a little too early. I jumped too early. I just jumped a little too early. That's my fault. That's not their fault. That's not funny. Relic Valley. Okay, fine. Bet. Can I just jump up here? Did it just go down to 1 when I said? Okay, we can get out of here, no problem. Yet. You can't screw this up, Flood Island. Flood Island, you can't screw it up. Yep, we're doing 2. 2 has been... How? I said Flood Island. Why are we doing that in Mills again? You gotta be shitting me. I'm not sticking around for this. How did he manage to die? Why? No. I almost sold it. Okay, I made it. Just 5 seconds behind, though. Thanks a lot, Floor. Okay, Forgotten Tombs or Oriental Grove? Forgotten Tombs. Okay. I'll get this dub, no problem. I wish it was 150. Bruh just died right there. Just watch, I'm not sticking around for this. I ain't sticking around for this. Just watch, I ain't watching. I'm not gonna watch these absolute losers just lose. Because they have nothing but... I wish there was an extra ladder. Okay, we made it. 5 out of 5 made it. Let's just hope. I hope to goodness gracious I beat Sedimentary Temple this time around. I may have less people. There may be less people in this server than there would be of most. But with guarantees, hopefully no one screws it over. And just like that kid just did, he died. He just died. He died right there. We got one side. Where's the other? Push the button! Motherfucker, push the button. Push the button, push the button, push the button, push the button. Push the button, 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 push the button. Quicksand, quicksand is my enemy. Died. That was a duds right there. I guess we're going back to the basics again. Of course, this absolute loser has to be the person who pushes the button before me. Yeah, I ain't cooking anymore. I'm just gonna watch you all suffer. I just went and took a dive. A deep dive into water. Alright. Easy win. No boosting. No boosting. I'm gonna watch to see who makes us fucking fail. Oh no. This is so over. Updated time. Too bad, bud. You ain't using it. You ain't using them. Too bad you ain't using them. Too bad you ain't using them. Let us cook. Let us cook. Yeah, for cheating, I think that's because you rightfully deserve to be banned. It says, Sam says, my main got banned. Wah, 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 wah. Maybe because you deserve to be banned. Maybe because you deserve to be banned, you anti-cheater. You cheater. Skill issue. No cheating. Nobody gives a fuck if you were 122. Nobody gives a fuck. Nobody gives a shit. Nobody gives a shit. You deserved to lose your account because you probably cheated. Because you probably fucking cheated. Stupid. Stupid! How do I get back up? There we go. How do we get you out of here? Oh, you're right here. Fallen Protector. Wait, is he an angel? This is like angel territory here. I need to get this fallen angel back to his land. Oh, I was so close to death there. So close. I was so close that time. Alright, let's get you back to land, mister. You can't die on my watch. Of course, this motherfucker pro player wants to ruin our life. You mother... How about you deal with it, Sam, you little skill issue truck? You skill issue? You have a skill issue, and I think you should suffer. GG. Yeah, of course you're gonna make us play this. Well, screw the person who did that. You must have a way with words. You must be bad at parties, buddy. You're bad at making everyone else look bad. How much of a terrible individual this guy thinks he is. How do I get out of here? Never mind. I don't care. Boo! Boo! Be fair. Wipe whoever was. Yeah, stay on pro mode because you clearly want to make everyone else look like an idiot. I would be like burning in hell. Screw this game. Wow, what a bitch. She really said, I'm just doing it for Stu at this point. Yeah, you know what? Fuck you. Fuck you, Sam. Yeah, I know I'm being a little too harsh, and YouTube's probably going to go ahead and just take my monetization away for that one. But I don't care. You literally purposefully said it in chat. I'm just doing it for Stu at this point. Screw you, rat. You're a rat. I hope you burn in the nearest lab rat facility.